I don't think there's any organisations in this room would claim that they've got a Steve Jobs as the chief executive similar to their organisation, who's saying this is the way the strategy.
The network is collaboration of leading global organisations from different sectors, changing how they do business, lowering costs, developing new products and improving their leadership.
So there's this sort of inbuilt bias against innovation.
So it's really sort of networking and understand how other people do things and actually trying to bring that back into our business.
I'm a relative newcomer to the meetings and I'm finding them incredibly useful.
There's the opportunity to speak to a number of different companies from different industries and with different experiences. So you get different insights from those companies which we might not have had ourselves, and also the opportunity to have a chat with them and understand how they might do things differently and how they may be applicable for us.
A key aspect of what we do is a tailored program. So for each of the members, each year we deliver to a particular business need and that for them. And it might be in our operational excellence network, it might be in our innovation network, it might be in our leadership network, or it might be in one of our other networks, in terms of saying what is the key issues in that for you. We will then focus on one of those and say, look, we can really bring the power of the network to help you around that issue. While we're delivering that program, we understand lots of the other issues that they deal with, so that throughout the rest of the year we can get them involved in other people's programs and they benefit from that. It also then influences the events we do as well.
Our aim is to double size our company whilst halving.
We get members to talk about their issues and their challenges, warts and all, in a trusted environment so they can really learn about what are the changes and the challenges they've got. And then we consolidate that into research, intellectual property, and that to then feed back to them. If organisations are going to make fundamental changes to how they're going to deal with things like aging population, entering emerging markets, changing things that are happening within technologies, the best people to know about that are the people who are within the industry.
As opposed to creating a cluster, an added value network.
The experience of talking to other people who've been through similar problems and just learning from those.
I think that if you're out there and you're trying to figure out all these questions on your own, it's quite difficult. So just to sit with other professionals who are also trying to work it out and have come up with some of the answers. I mean, this Unilever talk now was brilliant.
Going through future presentation here. So another access to how we grow.
We are a trusted partner and a trusted node, a trusted intermediary in that between these organisations, so it helps sharing in an open and collaborative way. You always see gems, you always see things that are happening and that with organisations. It's so powerful to bring those things together and that within organisations.
It's always pretty insightful. Excellent. Just make me look good.